Hello from SUVARNABHUMI Airport at Bangkok. I'm returning to Singapore today. I just cleared the custom and let's have a walking tour from this airport to the moment I land in Changi Airport. And right now I see this interesting statue of the Buddhism. They are like holding the tail of the deity and there's a kind of serpent, a kind of snake here. And this their god. So right here there are many branded goods boutique, you know, Chanel, Cartier, and so much more. Estee Lauder, Burberry, Omega Q, Moncler. Oh, more Chanel. You can change your Thai baht back to your home currency if you want, or change them back when you are returning to your home country, man. And right here on the left side, King Power duty free. There's lots of snacks here. Look at this bestseller 1620. Last chance to get some mango sticky rice right here, 195 baht. So mostly the packaged food and some soft toys here. So right here there's some of the stuff that you may not buy. Freeze dried urine, 650 baht. It's almost 2 times the price of the BC, but it's a last minute shopping. There's some local products here as well. I'm going to stay here for a while because I'm early for my flight. I want to know same level has the anyway. I think I have about 20 minutes. Memories of Thailand is next. Also some of the travelers' top and popular Thai gifts. Actually, look what they have here. I think I saw some tiger balm. This one Singapore also have. Anything special else? I think other things special. The Thailand Buddha. Four-face Buddha statue. It's very cute. And the Thai, they love it. They adore the elephants. Burger King. And very peaceful. Anyway, this way, I mean, you can get your last serving or desire of the mango sticky rice. I saw a few restaurants selling them. This is one, same price, 195 baht. But this one seems to be have other rice, not just sticky rice. There's a green pandan and the purple one as well. Check out the oils they have. Thailand massage oil. More mango sticky rice, but cheaper, 535. This one bigger box. Oh yeah, get your mineral water here, 60 baht, the king one. The price of some of the food here in the restaurant, 170 for the egg. Mama Tom Yum, 780. Hey, they even sell the Thailand shirts and costume here. Look at the monk statues. These are so adorable, right? Travelers' top picks. Tamarind, red rambutan. I can't believe how big this place is. In Bangkok Airport, so many stuff here. And there's another Burger King outlet. Hey, there's some kind of pub here. Okay, so lots of items and food for you to choose. And even Korean fried chicken here. There's even pharmacy. And what's up with the lady Cheongsam? Coffee, okay. Potato corner. A Thai booster, man. You can smell so many foods here. Oh, Subway. This one bowl, man. Yeah, I saw McDonald's there. The corner. Pad Thai. The Kratong. Hang Cha World Class Thai Tea. Oh, it feels like really a mini mall here. And you can always update yourself on the departure gate if there's any changes. There's a big McDonald's right here, man. Wow, they even have pizza here, man. And what's up the last one? Siam Orchid Cafe. They have the Vietnamese banh mi sandwich right here, man. I found the cheapest mango sticky rice at one box for 170 baht. Here it is, man. This one, Wow, they even have the different coats and handbags here. Swarovski. Do me bag. I saw a lot of duty free shops there, and that's our new friend. More mango sticky rice. Buy 4 get 1 free. Oh, yum, man. King Power Space at the Lalabu. They call it the Mochi Ichi. Look at this, man. Wow. Some bento and Dragon Express. Bring some. Korea Jeans Coffee. I think you can get to see some planes, Popcorn. Subway. Toto Thai Food Express. I think here the price more reasonable. 128 baht, but it's a bit far from wherever your boarding gate is. Then from here you can see some of the airplane. This is Vietnam Airlines. Alright, I reached my boarding gate. D7. That's the airline going to fly with Singapore Airlines and going to check in already. So if you enjoyed the video so far, or even a little bit, please like, share and subscribe. I wish everyone happiness and health. Alright, take care everyone. See you and bye bye. Okay, now I'm inside the flight, Singapore Airlines towards Singapore. And going to take off soon. I finally arrived at Terminal 2 of Changi Airport, Singapore, man. The time now is 2 minutes past 10 p.m. on a weekday night, and I'm going to the arrival hall, man, to do the immigration. And after that, before that, I'll tell you guys, you need to submit your arrival card. Actually, it's from Singapore and it applies to children as well, for Singapore residents. Yeah, it has been a long time since I traveled overseas. And I came back. I just went to Bangkok. So good news for Singapore citizens and residents, don't need to scan your passport. Let's go. And you can still do your last minute SE card arrival card. Right here, there's some stations. Okay, after collecting your luggage, right? Just go straight. Custom, nothing to declare, and the red one goes to declare. So just follow the crowd and go through the door. Okay, after that, turn right, yeah, you see the sign, right? Train to city. There's a metro, Singapore Metro. Okay, this is a signboard of the Singapore Metro. The final station is Changi Airport. So take a lift down. MRT is at the basement. So let's check it out, man. Yeah, arrived. The lift arrived. Wow, so big lift, man. And now I turn around, right? The MRT is the last one. Button and press close. And by the way, we go to town, right, towards Tanah Merah, and must take note the time, the last train every day, 11:18 p.m. for connecting train to the city, And then if you go to the east side, Pasir Ris is 6 minutes past 12 midnight. So 11:18, most of us. And then this the metro station. You need to leave your trolley here. You cannot bring it into the station. And if you want to buy the card to go in, you need to go to a counter, which is customer service counter. Later I'll show you guys. Okay, approach the passenger service to get to buy a cash EZ-Link card. It looks like this. There are store value inside, and I can use it to board the metro and the bus in Singapore as well, the LRT. And then you may be confused, they are both sides, so which side to take? It's actually the same. Go to the city via Tanah Merah station. If you look at the other side, right, it's the same. Alright, the metro just arrived. So all passengers need to alight here, man. Tanah Merah MRT. Okay, so be confused, right? After you alight from here, it's actually bought this one. It's towards the city area. Okay, you guys may want to check out the hotel, stay here. This Bugis area is actually the city area. And then the following stop, City Hall, is also a good place where there are a lot of 5-star hotel and restaurant and shopping. Okay, if you love Chinese food, if you stop here, Ocean Park, this is the Chinatown of Singapore, many nice Chinese food and hotels around here. So thanks everyone for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe so that more people can find the video. Thanks very much. I'll see you guys in the next video and bye bye.